So this is this is Cloud Dolphin's client-side software. So this is what they would see. This is of course a Windows machine, and it looks similar across Mac or Windows. So we're going to go to backup sets here. We're going to go to add. We're going to add a file backup today, but there is the ability to add Google Drive, OneDrive, 365. This is all from the client side. So these are just the default ones here, or we can drill down into the file tree and select exactly what we want to back up. So what we might do is go business and home files here. We'll click OK there and click next. And we can set a schedule for the backup, and there's a lot of customizability, so you can do it daily, weekly, monthly. I've just selected the retention policy on this one, and what a retention policy does is allow you to go in and find files that potentially have been deleted on your system and they'll be kept on the backup system. And you can set this to be keep for 30 days, 180 days, or even I think it goes up to about 30 years. So a proper amount of time there. So we'll just carry on here. And we'll just do a daily backup for, I don't know, 10:45 a.m. let's go for. So now we'll go next and we'll add a storage destination. So we'll do Cloud Dolphin and we'll set it as a sequential backup. So we've got an open direct feature. This allows you to open a file without actually restoring it first. It basically spins up a virtual machine on Cloud Dolphin side. So we'll go down and select next here, and this is allowing you to select your encryption key, so it can have your Cloud Dolphin password for this, or your user password, and you can customize the encryption key as well. For now we'll just go for default and click next. And we'll click unmask encryption key, and this encryption key is very important, so let's please take a note of that. So we'll copy that, click confirm, and congratulations, file 1 is successfully created. And you can see our different file sets here, our different backup sets, and that's it, brings us back to the dashboard.